Alright folks, let's talk about the Galaxy S25 Ultra and why the latest updates have tech fans buzzing. This time, the excitement isn't just about the design, it's all about the battery and performance. According to a trusted internal source, Samsung has kept the same 5000 mAh battery and 45 watts charging speed for both the S25 Ultra and S25 Plus. The base model sticks with 25 watts fast charging, while other brands like OnePlus are going big with a 6000 mAh battery on the OnePlus 13. Samsung seems confident in its optimization game. Here's the kicker. Even though the S25 Ultra's battery might sound familiar, the initial tests weren't as promising. However, with the latest software built, the battery life now matches that of the S24 Ultra. This is a big deal because if Samsung continues to tweak things, we might see even better performance. The new Snapdragon 8 Elite chip powering the phone is not only more efficient, but also more powerful, which means longer sessions without reaching for the charger. Other devices like the OnePlus 13 and Asus ROG are also using this chip and have shown impressive results, but those phones come with larger batteries. If you've been following the design rumors, you'll know that Samsung is going for rounded corners this time. The S25 Ultra is less rounded than the base models, but still a noticeable change from the sharper edges of the S24 Ultra. The S Pen slot remains on the left, alongside the speaker and SIM card slot. What stands out is the flat front with minimal reflections, thanks to an anti-reflective coating on Gorilla Glass. Plus, the bezels are now symmetrical, which adds to the sleek look. The back design is pretty much in line with the Z Flip 6, just with an extra camera sensor. Now about the deals. Yes, there's talk of a price increase for the S25 Ultra, but Samsung is balancing it out with some tempting pre-order offers. According to insiders, you can expect up to $800 in trade-in value for the S24 Ultra. And here's a bonus. If you order 256 gigs of storage, Samsung might upgrade you to 512 gigs for free. In some regions, they're also throwing in Galaxy Buds 3 Pro or offering $150 in Samsung credit for accessories. For those who prefer the more angular design of the S24 Ultra, now's a good time to grab one. Samsung is running some solid promotions, with prices dipping as low as $1,100. It's a good reminder that you can still get a top-tier device without waiting for the latest and greatest. So, the S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a powerhouse, blending familiar strengths with fresh updates. If Samsung continues to optimize the software, we could see a real boost in performance. And with the right pre-order deals, upgrading might just be worth it. So stay tuned for more, and as always, peace out.